if you feel like emotional and feel like crying, do not hold it back. Cry and let go of that emotion. Because when you are letting go of your guilt and you are feeling a sense of releasing, sometimes some of you who are maybe more sensitive or more emotional, you feel like crying. And if you feel like crying, cry. Do not suppress it, so that you feel that peace and freedom totally. So we will now do today's affirmation. Are you all ready for affirmation? Yes or yes? Yes or yes? Yes. Yes. So today, write awesome affirmation in the comment so that we'll bring today's affirmation. The affirmation for today is, I am at peace within my heart. I am at peace within my heart. I am at peace within my heart. So when you release guilt, the most important thing you are experiencing and you are going to experience is peace. If any one of you are not experiencing peace and carrying guilt, worry, heartbreaks, lot of negativity going inside your heart, it means somehow you are carrying guilt. So that's why what you have to experience, peace inside your heart. So I want all of you to write the affirmation that I am at peace within my heart. And even you can, then we'll do a quick round of affirmation, experiencing the heart energy, experiencing the energy, and all of you will feel lot more positive and peaceful and free inside your heart. Now, you can do one thing. You can, once again, the way we have done before, of letting go of guilt. Again, we can do the affirmation few times. You can keep your palm on your heart, and you can close your eyes and you can listen to my voice. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale slowly. And listen to my voice. And along with that, even you can say it. I am at peace within my heart. 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 Feel a sense of relaxation in your heart. I am at peace within my heart. Inhale deeply. I am at peace within my heart. Feel a sense of peacefulness. Feel a sense of peacefulness in your heart. I am at peace within my heart. I am at peace within my heart. I am at peace within my heart. Now you can open your eyes. Now, how many of you felt absolutely peaceful while holding your palm on your heart and either listening to my voice or along with that, you were saying actual? Awesome. All of you could able to step into that peaceful vibes, that peaceful state, this peaceful energy. And have you felt that this is probably the first time you are actually consciously feeling that peaceful energy in your heart, that yes, and particularly releasing the guilt or fear or anything that was holding you back, and really stepping into the state of being peaceful? And for how many of you, it was probably the first time you learned that how important it is to let go of those guilt and really to step it into the state of freedom and peace? And I'm glad so many of you, for the first time, you could able to really connect this thing and learn this thing, that you have to really, to be peaceful, you have to let go of your guilt. Because many a times, so many of you keep asking me, so many of you keep writing emails that, AJ, I know the law of attraction, I believe in my dreams, and I believe in everything, but I am not peaceful inside. I'm not at peace. I'm not feeling that calmness in my heart. And I don't know why. I don't know why. And one of the major reasons is there are suppressed or conscious or unconscious or subconsciously you are carrying some guilt. So you have to let go of this. So I want all of you to write the affirmation of the day, that I am at peace within my heart. And even you can write it somewhere at your home or in your office, and especially those of you who are aware that you are carrying a lot of guilt, or you need to let go of guilt, then for you it is the most important affirmation. One of the most important thing is, when we carry this kind of emotions like guilt, negativity and all, we usually carry in our heart, like the energy level at this point, not necessarily physically, but we carry the emotions here in our heart. So that's where we carry this guilt and all kind of negative feeling. And that's why when we have this powerful program called the 21 days program, which is the Heal Your Heart meditation program. So when so many people go through the Heal Your Heart meditation program, in that program, I have guided them to how to focus the energy and heal their heart from this kind of negative energy like guilt and pain and suffering and heartbreaks and all kind of negative things that were holding them back. So if you have done the Heal Your Heart meditation program, you must have experienced that peaceful and this joyful experience, that energy that was holding you back. So if you have done the Heal Your Heart meditation program, write in the comment that HYHM, because I know that so many of you have already done, and those of you who have already done, you have experienced that peaceful change and energy in your heart.